Artist Monday is a fantastic exhibition because it brings contemporary art right into the heart of Cardiff. There's so many different exhibitions and different forms of art on display, and allows various members of the public to engage with art in different ways.
Well, I didn't know anything about it, so I just kind of happened in, and it's interesting, I think.
Oh, it was fun. Yeah. I was saying, we've seen a lot of art today, been around all the galleries. Which is the one I'll remember tomorrow? That one. Might not be a good thing, but yeah, I think it's provoking in its own way,
Yeah, I know. I think it's really cool. It's quite playful, like building something so epic out of such simple materials. And yeah, I know it's like three things, but it's actually like made a big impact in the space.
You know, I'd rather Impressionists and the Pre-Raphaelites to modern art. I don't understand it.